So Xander BICKNELL, professional football. Just tell us really quick how you got to where you are right now.
Well, to be honest, it really is just hard work. I wouldn't really consider myself as that. I wouldn't say that I have a lot of natural talent. It was really just straight hard work. From when I was 10 is when I started taking it much more seriously, doing 2 sessions a day non-stop. That's when I started working with Phoenix. Yeah. That's all
I want to tell the people, where are you now and how is it there?
I'm in Germany. I've been there this is my 4th year. And it's been great, yeah. It's been a wonderful experience. I went there when I was 14. That was tough, leaving my family and all of that. All my friends and getting used to the climate and everything. But yeah, I've gotten used to it. I played for 2 different clubs, Bonner SC for 2.5 years. I moved mid-season last year. We were playing in the U17 Bundesliga last year, and this year we're in the 2nd division of U19. So it's good.
Alright. Real quick, you know in German? Do something real quick, Xander, man. Give them hi, hello, bye, you're looking nice, give them something.
Say something, I'll say it in German.
Alright, say, This or That Sports TV is the biggest and best YouTube channel on the internet.
This or That TV is the beste und größtes sport channel in where?
On YouTube right now.
In YouTube, yes.
This or That Sports TV and This or That YouTube. Alright, Xander, football. What would you say is the best attribute that you have?
Well, I'd say shooting from range. I'd say my passing is clean. I can tackle well, defend well. I think those are my best.
Alright, the best part of your footballing career for this sport?
It has to be representing national team for the first time. Well, on my debut, it wasn't the best way to start my national career because we were down 4-0 against Honduras when I came on. So went on, just did my thing, and by next game it was much better against Antigua. After we won that, we went on to play against Haiti, and unfortunately, probably the toughest moment in my career so far was the loss to Dominican Republic. We definitely fought that game. It was 1-0 from the first 10 minutes. But yeah, we just kept going the whole time. We had a few opportunities that we could have made it.
Alright. Xander, tell me, next 5 years, I know a lot of people hate this question, man.
Yeah.
But I'd like to know what you see for yourself. In the next 5 years, tell me where would we see Xander? Where we turn on This or That Sports TV, what will they be talking about in 5 years? What will we be talking about?
I'd like to see myself in any one of the top 5 leagues. Yeah, so I'm just going to push towards that. No specific league, no specific team. I just want to see myself at a high level in the next 5 years.
Alright. Preferred playing position?
I'd say anywhere in the midfield, but probably centre mid.
And tell me your favorite thing about Phoenix. You're part of the Phoenix Academy. What's your favorite thing?
Well, I like that it's a lot more like a family than it is an academy. You know, everyone goes by a code. You have to stay loyal to Phoenix. Yeah, it's just that pushes us to be better as a team once you have the chemistry on and off the pitch. Everyone is friendly off the pitch. Everyone gets along on the pitch, and you can tell by how we play.
Alright. Favorite sports team growing up? Favorite football team growing up?
Real Madrid. I started watching because of Ronaldo.
That's Cristiano?
Yeah. And yeah, from there, that's when I started getting more interested in football. Started watching it more, of course. I think it's probably because of my brother why I started supporting Real Madrid in the first place, but it stuck and yeah.
Need one, hold on. Need one. You something never feel good, but I wanna. Messi or Ronaldo?
I prefer Ronaldo, but After this World Cup, I don't know what to say.
So
We're on the same.
as in,
Yeah.
he's a favorite player, but I mean, you know.
I think Messi has had a better career for sure.
All right, now fine.
But Ronaldo's my favorite because of his mentality and how he works.
That makes people. I can live with that answer.
Yeah.
But Messi the GOAT. Yeah, he the GOAT. So yeah, when you're off the field, what are you doing if not playing football?
When I'm not playing football, you mean when I'm in Germany?
Yeah, in Germany or here. You can give us two answers.
Well, I still have school going on. I'm in my last year of school. That's from about 8 to 3:30 every day. And then just right after that I get ready and go training. But yeah, on the weekends I just chill out, probably play FIFA with friends or something.
When you're here, because obviously it's the winter break when you're here in Jamaica, what are you getting up to?
Well, I was at the Bernabeu concert the other day on Sunday. So yeah, I plan on going to a few more parties, maybe 2 or 3 more. And I'm going back on the 8th of January.
Alright, question. This is the question. You know, the majority of people here in Phoenix, you know, would have come from inner city communities, you know, poorer backgrounds. Obviously, I see that you're one of them. It's no different, right?
Yeah.
But being somebody from, you know, quote unquote uptown, so I asked Kyle about this question. How did it affect your grind? Like, were you less motivated to come out and do better, or did it motivate you?
No, it didn't really affect me because at the end of the day, I'm just out there to play football. I'm trying to make it pro, like of course all of them. Maybe we have different reasons to make it pro, but we still have the same end goal.
So you think you're just as motivated?
Yeah, for sure. Because for me, it's just about the love of the sport, not about anything else.
All right, well, people, Xander BICKNELL, you know, Alexander BICKNELL, Phoenix representative. Which club you play for again?
FORTUNA.
Professional footballer, and today went up against him. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.